Hello children, here I am with my new video and we are going through exercise 18. This is trigonometrical identities of standard 10 and we are solving sum by ML Agrawal book. So let's see, we are going to start question number 12 first sub question. We need to prove that sec a plus 10a into 1 minus sin a is equals to cos a. That was our question. We have to prove that this equals to this cos a. So from LHS I have started sec a plus 10a into 1 minus sin a. Instead of writing sec a I have written 1 by cos a, and in place of 10a I have written sin a by cos a. You know these are the formula. And 1 minus sin a as it is I have copied. Then LCM of both these numbers, cos a was LCM was cos a. So here is 1 and here is plus sin a. Now you see 1 plus sin a and 1 minus sin a. So we may write it like a plus b into a minus b means what? A square minus b square. So I have written 1 minus sin square a. And we know that 1 minus sin square a is equals to cos square a. From where this formula came? From this place. Sin square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. Therefore 1 minus sin square will transfer sin a square a this side, means cos square a is equals to 1 minus sin square a. So I have written here that 1 minus sin square a is equals to cos square a. So we replaced 1 minus sin square a by cos square a. Okay, and in denominator already there was a cos a. So 1 cos a cancelled. So only cos a will left here, and that was our RHS. So your question is verified or proved. Now let's see question number 12 second. We have to prove that 1 plus 10 square a into 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a is equals to 1. So we are going to start from LHS. 1 plus 10 square a into 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a. Instead of writing 1 plus 10 square a, we can write sec square a, because that is the formula. 1 plus 10 square a is equals to sec square a, and you have to show all these identities also. And 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a means a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So here in place of a there is 1 and in place of b there is sin a. So it is 1 minus sin square a. Now when we will open the bracket, sec square a, or instead of opening the bracket, what we can do, 1 minus sin square a means cos square a. Okay, so from where it came, since sin square a plus cos square a is equals to 1, therefore cos square a is equals to 1 minus sin square a. So in place of this I have written cos square a, and we know that sec a is equals to 1 by cos a, therefore sec square a is equals to 1 by cos square a, and there was already a cos square a, so both the cos square a cancelled, so 1 left here, and that is equals to RHS, proved. Now coming to question number 13 first. Again we need to prove it that 10a plus cot a is equals to sec a into cosec a. I have started from LHS, just copied LHS, that is 10a plus cot a, and we can write 10a as sin a upon cos a, and cot a is cos a upon sin a. I hope you all have memorized all these formulas, all the identities. Now LCM of these two numbers, cos a into sin a is what? Sin a cos a. And when you will divide sin a cos a by cos a cancelled, so only sin a will left. Then you will multiply that sin a with sin a, that is sin square a. Similarly you will divide this denominator, that was LCM, by this denominator. Sin a cancelled, only cos a will left, and cos a into cos a is cos square a. And we know that sin square a plus cos square a is 1, so 1 by sin a into cos a. Now 1 by sin a means what? Cosec a, and 1 by cos a is sec a, and that is our RHS, so it is proved. And whichever identities we will use, we have to mention here. That's why I've written here sin square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. 1 by sin a is equals to cosec a. 1 by cos a is equals to sec a. You always show you all the identities whatever you are using, because there is step marking. In every video I am showing that thing, and again I'm mentioning these things, that you have to mention all the entities whatever you are using here. with your sum. Now question number 13th, second question. 1 minus cos A into 1 plus sec A is equals to tan A into sin A. We have to prove it. So we will start maybe from RHS or from LHS. So I have started from LHS. 1 minus cos A into 1 plus sec A. I have copied it as it is. Then in place of sec A I have written 1 by cos A. Then taken its LCM, that is cos A, and here is cos A plus 1, and there was already 1 minus cos A. If you will see, this is 1 plus cos A and this is 1 minus cos A. So A plus B, A minus B. So this one is 1 minus cos square A. Okay, and this is cos A. Sorry. And we know that 1 minus cos square A is equals to sin square A. I have shown here. Sin square A upon cos A. Okay. So what I did after doing this, I was just cross-checked my RHS that I want tan A and sin A. So what I did, once I have written sin A by cos A, and then again separately I have written a sin A. See? Now sin A upon cos A is tan A, and sin A as it is I have copied, and that was our RHS. So thus our answer proved. Let's see what we have to prove here in question number 14. 1 by 1 plus cos A plus 1 by 1 minus cos A is equal to 2 cosec square A. For this, what I have done, I have started the sum from LHS, that 1 by 1 plus cos A plus 1 by 1 minus cos A. Then I have taken LCM. Then A plus B and A minus B means what? 1 minus cos square A. Okay, that is our LCM. And when we will solve it, this will be 1 minus cos A, and here is 1 plus cos A. Minus cos A plus A, cos A cancelled. So here is 1 plus 1, 2 by 1 minus cos square A. Okay, and 1 minus cos square A means what? That is sin square A. So 2 upon sin square A. And 1 by sin A is cosec A. So 1 by sin square A is what? Cosec square A. So we have copied 2, and instead of writing 1 by sin square A, we have written cosec square A. That was our RHS proved. Now 14th second sub question. 1 by sec A plus tan A plus 1 by sec A minus tan A. We have to prove that this is equals to 2 sec A. So again I have started from LHS. 1 by sec A plus tan A plus 1 by sec A minus tan A. So we have taken LCM. So this will be sec square A minus tan square A, because this is A plus B into A minus B. So that is equals to A square minus B square. Now here is sec A minus tan A, and here sec A plus tan A. So minus tan A plus tan A cancelled. There is only 2 sec A, and in numerator sec square A minus tan square A. And we know that sec square A minus tan square A is equals to 1. 2 sec A upon 1, that is equals to 2 sec A. And we need to prove that. So that is equals to RHS. It is proved. So in this video, up to this question. Bye bye.